Do you want to know how to make money commenting on forums? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael and I love testing different ways to make money online, and many viewers have asked me how to get paid to comment on forums and if forums that allow this are actually really worth it. So therefore I decided to record this video where I will show you 4 platforms where you can earn by commenting on these different forums, and then we'll also talk about the earning potential so you can find out if it's even worth it. So before going over the 4 options I want to show you, let's talk a little bit about why you can even get paid to comment on certain forums. And the reason for this is that some forums, or all forums in general, they are dependent on people commenting and creating new threads, and the more engagement, the more people are interested. And some of these forums then have the business model of paying people to do it, because that means that they can get free content that potentially can get them ranked in Google and get search traffic, and the more traffic they have, the more earning potential they have, and that's why they are willing to pay you to do this. But let me just reveal right away that it's not something that will make you rich or anything like that. We will talk a little bit about the full earning potential a little bit later, but let's first go over these 4 options that I know you can use to earn by commenting on forums. The first option I want to show is called MyLot, and this is a forum you can join from any country, and you can earn then either by commenting or on other threads or starting your own threads. And once you've earned $5, then you can take your earnings out and you will get paid once per month, and then you get paid in cash via PayPal. The next option is called the forum wheel, and as with all the other sites, you can then potentially earn by commenting on other threads or creating your own threads. However, you need to apply to become a content writer, at what they call it, if you want to earn. And at first, you won't have access to that many different opportunities, but as you just prove that you can write quality content, then your account will level up, and then you can get access to more earning opportunities. And the forum itself is available for all countries, but currently they're only accepting content writers from the US, UK and Canada, so that's just something to be aware of. And once you've earned $5, you can get paid in cash via PayPal. The next option is called Forum Coin, and you will earn Forum Coin by participating here. Exactly how much you will earn depends which forum that you comment in or you create a thread in. There are different rates. You can read about that on the website depending on what kind of topic you are writing about. And then once you've earned what they call Forum Coin, like 500 Forum Coin, which is worth around $5, then you can withdraw your earnings. You can get paid in cash via PayPal, or you can also choose between gift cards or Bitcoin. So I do like that it offers quite a few different payout options, no matter your preference compared to some of the others. That's definitely great. The last option I want to show you is called Digital Money Talk, and this is a forum that is focused on different digital currencies. So if that's something you're interested in writing about, then you can potentially earn by doing that. Exactly how much you need to earn to be able to withdraw, that depends on your payout method or your chosen payout method, because you, for example, only need to earn $1 to withdraw via Payeer. But if you want to get paid in Bitcoin, then you need to earn $2, but still a fairly low payout threshold. Again, it can take patience. We'll talk in just a minute about the full earning potential of all these sites there. So it's not like a super fast way to earn Bitcoin. I have a video where I talk more about the best ways to earn Bitcoin for free. I'll leave a link in the top corner so you can also check that out. Just be aware that the top amount you can withdraw in one withdrawal is $10, so you can't save up more than that and then take it out. That's just something to be aware of. So as you can see, there are quite a few different forums, and these are just examples. I know there are more out there, but more or less all of them offer kind of the same rates, kind of the same opportunities, where you can either get paid to comment on threads or create new threads, and they have some certain requirements. In general, you need to make sure that you provide quality. It's not enough to like just post like, oh, great content as a comment. You won't get paid for that, because they only get something out of it if it's quality content. So that's something you need to consider. If you're planning to just write one word or something like that, you will just get kicked out instead and not earn. But how much can you then earn on forums like this in total? So if we consider the overall earning potential, I would say it's very, very low, because they don't earn a lot. The platforms themselves, for these different ad revenue and all that, they do earn potentially good money if they grow really big, but they need a lot of traffic, and that also means that they can't pay you a very good rate. So I would say that if you like creating content, there are definitely better and more effective ways to get paid to do that. I'll also leave some info about ways to do that below, because if you're just looking for effective ways to earn, participating in money-making forums or forums where they pay you to comment and all that, that's really not effective. It will be a few dollars here and there, and for the effort you have to put in, usually you would have to spend hours to just earn a few dollars. I have not yet come across any platform like this, and I've tested a lot where you get more than that. And I just wanted to make that clear, because so many people have asked me, how can I make good money commenting on forums? Well, the reality is you can make money by commenting on forums, but you can't make good money. It takes a lot of patience and effort to make any money there. So to sum it all up, yes, you can get paid to comment on forums, but it will definitely not make you rich. You have to be lucky to earn a few dollars here and there. Therefore, if you're looking for effective ways to earn, whether you want to learn to create quality content and potentially build it up to a really good income, or just small quick tasks where you can earn more effectively than by commenting on forums, then I'll leave info below this video so you can check that out depending on your preferences. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time there's a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.